4 p.m., but winds are expected to persist, creating a persistent chill through Wednesday night. By the time the storm subsides, some areas may experience road closure due to the winter weather advisory impacting not just commuters, but local businesses preparing for a lengthy cleanup. As a result of these developments, residents are encouraged to stay updated through local news outlets and weather apps, preparing for possible interruptions to daily life, including travel advisories and educational disruptions. Thoughtful preparation and adherence to weather advisories will be crucial as the Midwest braces for this late winter storm. The community is reminded to take this weather threat seriously, plan accordingly, and stay safe. Meanwhile, a stripe of 6 to 10 inch will add up in the general vicinity of Denison, Carroll, Fort Dodge, Humboldt, Clarion, and Mason City. Isolated amounts up to 1 foot are possible. This much snow blowing and 60 miles per hour winds will make it dangerous to travel. Seeing the road will be very difficult, and drifting will quickly become a problem. Snow accumulation will drop off significantly about 1 county southeast of that zone. A winter weather advisory is out for areas like Atlantic, Guthrie Center, Boone, and Eldora, where some snow will still fall, but not enough to cause significant issues. Snow will begin in these areas around 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. The Des Moines Metro likely won't see any snowflakes until 3 to 4 p.m., and accumulation is unlikely. Parts of south central and eastern Iowa will see thunderstorms later this morning into the early afternoon hours. Temperatures here will warm into the 60s. One of 2 storms could briefly produce